Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video we will be having a review of the Tinkercad versus Fritzing. When it comes to circuit design in 2025, we had Tinkercad and Fritzing. Tinkercad is completely web-based, beginner-friendly, and perfect for quick simulation and Arduino project without installing heavy software. It's free, easy to use, and great for students or hobbyists who just want to test ideas fast. On the other hand, we have the Fritzing. This one is more advanced, offering professional style PCB design and breadboard views and schematic layouts, making it ideal for makers ready to turn prototypes into real boards. While Tinkercad is best for learning and experimenting, Fritzing shines for serious circuit documentation and manufacturing. So, in short, go with Tinkercad if you're just starting or just want simplicity, and choose Fritzing if you need detailed PCB design for real world projects.